What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Sneakpeakswithjosh, and we're back again with another calm, underrated sneaker. Those of you guys that are new to this channel, you definitely want to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and definitely share this. Let's spread the word around. And definitely tune in. You don't want to miss this. So we're back, and as you guys seen in the title, yes, I am unboxing the Nike Dunk UNLV. But before we get started, let's talk about this little history. This sneaker first originated in 1985. As you guys see above, it was a part of the Be True to Your School pack. They came out with the Syracuse, the Michigan, the UNLV, a few other different colors, but they definitely set the tone with that sneaker in 1985, just showing love and support for all of the colleges out there. But for you other Jordan heads, Jordan definitely got his inspiration on the ones from this silhouette, if you didn't know. But enough of that, let's jump into this dope sneaker. Oh man, as you guys know, simple Nike box. Instantly losing it because it ain't too important. We're not rocking the box, but we are rocking our kicks. Wear your sneakers. As you guys see, we have the Nike Dunk UNLV, University of Las Vegas. If anyone is wondering, you guys see it is pretty clean. We are breaking this sneaker down from the very sole down to the very top. And we're gonna let you guys see a lot of details that a lot of people don't highlight. So watch this. As you guys can see, we do have that nice red tone on the sole. It's very clean. Me, I'm not a person that's too much into red. I like a lot of solid shoes with color blocking to where it's very, very calm, very clean. But this one right here is underrated. A lot of people are going crazy for the dunk wave, but nah, I felt like this was one that was reasonable. And as you guys see, following up that nice red sole, we have a nice white midsole. It's pretty clean, it's pretty dope, and it's very, very subtle. And as you guys can see, once we leave that nice white midsole, we do go into this two-tone, basically, because this nice gray on the side, it's more of a wolf gray. Shout out to all the wolves out there. But we definitely have a gray tone, and we have that nice red check. Pretty much as clean as you guys see, and it leads us into that nice gray tone. It is pretty bright, but you guys know the details are above, and you guys get that nice insight on this sneaker from my perspective. But going up the toe, we have a nice calm. I'm gonna give this one a calm stamp. We're gonna throw a calm stamp out there. It's been a while. Leave a comment. But these laces definitely are pretty calm, very loud as well, but the nice red tone, which under the laces has that gray on the tongue, going up the tongue, and it has that nice Nike check going across with a nice gray tab. As you guys know, I always say drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think on these pairs that I do show you guys. Was this one you felt was underrated? This sneaker is pretty clean. If you don't, I feel like you definitely do want to pick one of these up. This is one you want to add in your collection, but leave a comment. As you guys see on the back of this sneaker, yes, we have that nice red going across the back. It's a nice clean leather in red tone, which also has nice little ridges in gray with a little gray stitching alongside. It is pretty bright, but it's alright. But we don't have a pull tab on this one. We definitely have a nice, pretty clean, pretty calm, nice Nike going across. And it's just a sneaker that I felt was real clean. Y'all let me know if it was underrated. Y'all let me know if that sneaker history was pretty dope. If y'all would like to hear more on those, more sneakers, more collections, and a lot more coming from me, your boy Sneakpeakswithjosh, and I'll see you later. Peace. Ow!